back to CanPanKids. Today we will be making a mask. The mask will look like this. And basically these will be going onto your ears, the elastics, and this will be going over your mouth and nose. And also, before you do this, please make sure to wash your hands, because you don't know who has such elastics or the stapler. With soap. So all you will need for this is a stapler, 2 elastics, and 2 sheets of paper towel. So first, you will grab a paper towel and you'll start to fold it like this. You grab one end, fold it, flip the thing around, and you fold it. It does not have to be perfect. And all the way to the end. Okay, and now you grab one of your elastics and you put it like this, like that, and you fold it over, and you staple it. Oops. You okay? Okay, good. Okay, buddy. Promise I won't do that again. Okay, make sure not to staple your fingers or the elastic. And don't staple it too close to the center, because I've done that and it made a big mistake. And it was too small. Is that the elastic? And you got that. And you repeat that on the other side. And also, you don't have to put your elastic close to the center. 2. So now you open this up. And you grab the elastics. And yeah, you got a mask. Make sure it covers your nose and your mouth.